welcome to Miami, Florida, where STEM Global Action and QPSI have partnered again to have an amazing event here in Overtown, Miami. We are having some hands-on engagement in STEM. Kids in this community have finally gotten the experience to be able to be engaged, exposed, and inspired by professionals and college students of their community. Thank you to QCARES, the foundation of QPSI, who has partnered with us to provide a STEM Fest here today, where kids can engage in a STAR lab. They get to fly drones. They get to learn the inner workings of a steam engine. They get to maneuver excavators and even build their own car. Today is going to be an amazing day.
I truly believe that exposure is power. Hello, my name is Mike Ricketts. I'm the founder and owner of QPSI, Contract Packaging Services. My foundation, QCARES, is the sponsor of this event. You're going to be a part of the product of your environment whether you like it or not. And what my imagining when I met Calvin with the Global Action Network, we can bring STEM and the thought process behind STEM. How things work. Most of our communities don't know how things work, and this, quite frankly, that's where the opportunities are, and how things work in the supply chains and stuff. And I love supporting that, and I'm going to continue to support it.
I would say my favorite activity is the lung activity that is over there in the back, because it really shows what will happen if you don't take care of your lungs and what happens if you keep them up. Say that